Grandmother, you're coming. I never knew. Today I will be buried. May your soul rest in peace. My friend, I love you. I love you. I always love you.
Welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories and namhlanje ke sikhuluma ke ngudlula ke emhlabeni kababa ke uSiputla Lebohodi. Well guys, memorial service yakhe ke kanye nomncwabo wakhe ke sebekushilo ke ifamily ukuthi ke uzoba kuphi kanjani. Memorial service yakhe yokuqala izobe ise Pretoria Estate Theatre mhla ka 23 July 2026 ngo-9 ekseni. Then the second service or memorial service yesibili izobe isePulukwane at Jack Bolt Hall mhla ka 24 izoqala ngo-12 iphele ke ngo-6 bese kuthi umncwabo wakhe ke uzobe use khona futhi ke ePulukwane uzobe ngomhla ka 25 July 2026 on Saturday uzobe ukhona futhi at Jack Bolt Hall khona ke eLimpopo. Then bese kuyiwa ke Mathuneni eSilicon Polokwane Limpopo province. Well guys, yeah ke ifamily ke isedlulisile ke lokho, but ke izolo I saw a very disturbing video from ifamily angisho bathi ke ubesanda kushada ke ubaba ke uSiputla kusho ifamily yakhe ithi una 6 months ke eshadile ke enwesinqanda mathe sakhe sisha. Angazi mangakanani mangaki amakhosikazi asike washada nawo, cause mawuchecka la ekudlini zokuxhumana kuyavela uhlambe there are more than 4 kudala ke yena eshada, kodwa ke ngazuthi usanda kushada nje. So ifamily kulenye video kade postwe iDaily Sun ibiveza ukuthi yona ayikho involved, especially family le okusisi ka wakhe ke uSiputla eveza ukuthi they are not involved. Umncwabo usuphethwe ke unkosikazi ka 6 months ishade naye. So angazi mhlambe guys bagcine be resolvile ke leyo issue leyo, I don't know, but nje the video was very disturbing because I saw usisi wakhe khala esho ukuthi wayembeletha ingane kama wakhe manje sebeyamhlukanisa nayo sebeyayithatha, yabona nje ama drama ke ajwayele ukuvela ngempela mangabe umuntu ke esedlulile ke emhlabeni. But ke ngokomthetho uma ukuthi ke ngempela bese shadile ngenalo unkosikazi ka 6 months unkosikazi wena unelungelo lokuthi ke agcine ke emncwaba ke umnyeni wakhe ngendlela afisa ukumncwaba ngayo ngokomthetho. But ke I just wish ukuthi ke ifamily naye ke umakoti bangakwazi ukukhulumisana ukuze benze ke umcimbi kababa ke uSiputla ke ube nesizotha futhi ke uhambe ke kahle. So yeah guys, if you are around Pretoria or Johannesburg, you can attend the memorial service kanti uSiputla ezobe ke ise Pretoria Estate Theatre. If you are in Limpopo, you can go to ePulukwane ngomhla ka 24 uyo attenda ke memorial service yakhe. Thina abanye ke sikude we can watch ku live because I do believe ukuthi ke izobe ikhona ke na ku live. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.